In 2025, the car market is louder than ever. Bold designs, big horsepower numbers, new hybrid systems, and promises of next-level reliability. But behind all that marketing? Some engines are still money traps that can ruin your year, your wallet, and your entire driving experience. So today, I'm going to warn you about 5 engines you should never buy in 2025, no matter how attractive the car looks, because these engines are hiding problems you won't see until it's too late. Let's start with a very popular one. This engine looks modern, efficient, and powerful on paper. But real owners know the truth. High oil consumption, timing chain failures, turbo burnout, and repair bills that can destroy your savings. People buy the car thinking it's a smart choice, only to learn that they're adding 1 liter of oil every 800 kilometers. Imagine that. It's not a car, it's a hobby you didn't ask for. The next engine is even worse. It belongs to a brand everyone trusts, great styling, amazing features, but the engine? A disaster waiting to happen. Cooling system failures, cylinder head cracks, EGR clogging, fuel pump breakdowns, all hitting after 60,000 miles. And the best part? Fixing these problems often costs more than the value of the car. Some mechanics say this engine should have never gone into production. I agree. Now listen carefully. Because this third one is the biggest trap for anyone buying a used SUV in 2025. Vibration issues, carbon buildup, weak pistons, massive oil leaks, and transmission stress caused by terrible engineering. Owners report losing compression earlier than any competitor in the segment. This engine turns what should be a comfortable SUV into a stress machine. You think you're buying a family car. You end up buying a repair schedule. Number 4 is one that car enthusiasts love, until it breaks. This engine sounds amazing when it's new, fast, responsive, full of character. But inside? Fragile turbo bearings, plastic cooling parts, premature timing belt wear, and electronics that fail for no reason. Mechanics worldwide know this engine very well. Because it's in their workshop all the time. People think they're buying performance. But what they're really buying is a long-term relationship with their local service center. And now we come to the final one. The worst one. The engine that should come with a warning label. This is the king of unexpected breakdowns. Fuel injectors fail, turbo seals leak, head gaskets blow, oil pumps stop working, and the engine simply gives up. Some owners report complete engine failure before 70,000 miles. Imagine paying thousands for a car, only for the engine to wave the white flag before you even reach 100,000 kilometers. I've seen this engine destroy resale values, destroy budgets, and destroy trust in the brand. Here's the truth. A beautiful car doesn't matter. Horsepower doesn't matter. Features don't matter. If the engine isn't reliable, the car is nothing. So in 2025, avoid these engines. Avoid the stress, avoid the repair bills, avoid the disappointment. And if you want a list of the most reliable engines you should buy this year, let me know in the comments, and I'll make that video next. Until then, drive smart, drive safe, and don't let your dream car become your biggest financial mistake.